Después de una vida de estar componiendo, todavía estoy fascinado con el hecho de que las composiciones más complejas sean tan solo una combinación de 12 notas. Mi desafío como compositor es tomar esas notas y darles vida, acomodarlas y convertirlas en algo hermoso. La composición es una profesión que exige mucho, y seguido estoy con fechas de vencimiento por cumplirse, por lo cual tengo que trabajar 20 horas al día durante varias semanas. A veces viajo para grabar a diferentes partes del mundo, y todo eso, tu sistema lo resiente. Soy muy afortunado de haber encontrado la solución a este problema, la cual es 4Light Transfer Factor.
Soy madre de 2 niñas y nos encantan las actividades al aire libre. En el invierno nos encanta esquiar y es muy común que nos veas en una caminata durante el verano. Esos momentos divertidos cuando estamos juntas realmente valen la pena. Pero para disfrutar de este estilo de vida necesitamos estar saludables. Cuando enseño a mis niñas a esquiar, les enseño las técnicas que necesitan saber para poder esquiar solas. 4Life Transfer Factor funciona de la misma manera. Cuando lo tomas, le enseña a tus células inmunitarias lo que deberían hacer para mantener tu cuerpo fuerte y saludable.
La mayoría de las personas llamarían a este deporte un sacrificio, el entrenamiento que llevo día a día, tal vez 4 horas diarias, 20 a 28 horas semanales, pero eso para mí no es un sacrificio, ya sea de cuestas, de planos, de viento, de lluvia, pero cuando se llega a la competencia, el día final, cuando se reúnen todos esos elementos, yo doy el 100% y digo, ese sacrificio valió la pena. A nivel profesional tienes que tener una condición perfecta, si no, no vas a poder llegar en óptimas condiciones, ya que sea en la preparación, adquieren enfermedad, la cual no puedes competir en óptimas condiciones, con factores de transferencia, sí vas a ir a ganar.
Like these people and thousands of others, I've long recognized the need for each of us to enjoy a strong immune system. The importance of healthy eating, exercise, stress management, and supplementation is no secret. The big secret in immune system support brings together years of experience, millions of dollars of research, and thousands of people worldwide to uncover the key. Messenger molecules found in your own body that don't just strengthen your immune system, they teach your immune system. These molecules, the big secret we all need, are the key to 4Life Transfer Factor.
No one disputes how important the immune system is to our overall health. Poor diet, high stress, lack of sleep, and even your environment can tax your immune system, causing it to become sluggish and run down.
On the other hand, millions of people worldwide suffer from the effects of an overactive immune system. Your immune system sounds a false alarm. It's too reactive when it should stand down.
Either way, odds are that you will feel the effects. Whether your immune system becomes taxed or overstimulated, you become tired, your energy level drops, you have trouble getting the rest and exercise you need, further weakening your health and level of wellness.
The body is under constant stress. We have environmental factors, we eat foods that aren't good for us.
We can travel the world in a day. Our diets have changed from very earth-based to highly processed. Our stress levels have become the status quo.
If you don't have a healthy, vital immune system, you're not really a well person.
It's obvious that the key to a healthy immune system lies in balance. And this is the critical role that only transfer factors can fill. You see, the way that transfer factors work with your body's natural defense system is completely unique.
Here's a challenge. Go to a pharmacy, a health food store, or online and fill your shopping cart with everything that claims to boost your immune system. You could walk out of that store with thousands of dollars of different products. but odds are that all of these products are only designed to temporarily nourish your immune system, whether with vitamins, minerals, or herbs. Now don't get me wrong, that's okay, but it's not the best long-term solution to making sure you have an active, balanced immune response.
4Life Transfer Factor is completely different. Instead of just nourishing the immune system, 4Life Transfer Factor actually educates it, using the molecules that nature designed to help you recognize, respond to, and remember unwanted threats. For example, suppose you get a sliver. Immediately, bacteria begin to multiply in your body. Eventually, your body will respond, but often not before you have a fairly serious infection. 4Life Transfer Factor primes your immune system, preparing it to recognize and respond to these bacterial invaders before they get out of hand.
We look back to nature and we discover that there's a molecule called transfer factor that's provided to the newborns in colostrum, it's provided to the lower animals in egg yolk, and we can borrow from the chicken and the cow this transfer factor molecule, and when it's introduced into our systems, it educates, enhances, and balances our immune system so that it's always in top condition to address the threats that come along essentially daily.
It is nature's first supplement. Every newborn mammal receives transfer factors in that first meal. And in doing so, it jumpstarts the immune system of the offspring by giving it the immune experience that its mother has had.
Because of the environments in which they live, cows, chickens, and other animals have developed robust, even heroic immune defenses. Imagine leveraging their natural immune system knowledge for our benefit. That's exactly what 4Life Transfer Factor does. Looking beyond nutrition to information is a profound paradigm shift, and 4Life Transfer Factor is the only product available that leverages this powerful paradigm. 4Life has created an entirely new category of products employing what we call transferceutical science.
4Life is the leader in transferceutical sciences. We are developing and providing products that transfer immune information unlike any other products available.
Были проведены многочисленные исследования в различных странах мира, которые показали высокую эффективность трансфер-фактора и его ингредиентов. Абсолютно потрясающие продукты.
Transfer factor was discovered over 50 years ago. There's research by universities, by private industries, and over 2,000 articles that are available on the internet.
The science behind transfer factor is spectacular. It's been tested in humans. There's a huge amount of scientific research to support that this product indeed supports the immune system like no other product.
In fact, it has been recently shown that transfer factors improve natural killer cell activity up to 437%. And we have recently discovered that transfer factors dramatically improve the production of salivary IgA antibodies that protect us from an onslaught of invaders.
Research is present when it comes to transfer factor, but the true key is to start using the product.
Honestly, finding the research was the easy part. There was just so much evidence showing the efficacy of transfer factors. Our challenge was to bring this amazing breakthrough to market. I worked with researchers in both the science and nutraceutical fields. We patented and formulated 4Life's first transfer factor product. And starting from that first formulation, we've built a company that now holds or has pending dozens of worldwide patents and trademarks, has over a dozen worldwide offices and sales in nearly 50 countries.
Since that first product, more than a decade ago, 4Life has continued to be the authority on transfer factors. 4Life is the immune system company. We've learned to target transfer factors to meet specific wellness concerns, and we've created innovative new delivery systems that support and reinforce 4Life Transfer Factor's amazing abilities.
We've discovered immune power in nanofactor molecules, key molecules in immune system intuition that help your body's natural defenses work in harmony and balance to know when to act, how to act, and when to rest.
Nanofactor, when combined with transfer factor, provides the best product available to stimulate, educate, and to influence the immune system. There is no other product on the market that has the wisdom of the combination of nanofactor and transfer factor.
This single-minded focus on unlocking the power of transfer factors has led to worldwide recognition. For his commitment to research and development of 4Life Transfer Factor, David was honored with Russia's I.N. Blokina Award for excellence in the field of biotechnology. While the recognition is gratifying, our real pride stems from knowing that 4Life Transfer Factor is now used in research in hospitals and in households throughout the world.
Como madre nunca le daría a mis hijas algo que no fuera seguro. Y sé que Transfer Factor es seguro y también es natural. Es realmente la manera en que la naturaleza nos mantiene fuertes y saludables.
Una preparación para una competencia deportiva consta de 8 a 12 semanas. Esa conlleva una buena nutrición, un buen descanso, pero también lleva unos complementos donde te ayuden a recuperar, como el sistema inmunológico. Casi siempre los atletas cuando van a un evento deportivo casi siempre están enfermos. Así que con un producto como Transfer Factor de la compañía 4Life te puede ayudar a que evites de que te enfermes para cuando llegue a la competencia puedes ir en óptimas condiciones con opciones a ganar.
Es muy común que las personas quieran estar en el lugar de los que trabajamos en el campo de las artes, pero la realidad es que en este campo está frecuentemente bajo la presión del tiempo. Desde que he descubierto este pequeño milagro llamado 4Life Transfer Factor, mi vida ha cambiado en ese sentido. Siempre tengo una sensación de bienestar. Parece que tengo la energía para cumplir con mis asignaciones. Y las fechas de vencimiento, por lo menos físicamente, ya no me asustan.
It's a fact. Many peak performers worldwide depend on 4Life's revolutionary transfer factor formulas to help them keep at the top of their game. And so should you. 4Life Transfer Factor is only available from people who love it and use it every day. In fact, these people have discovered that the 4Life business opportunity gives them an opportunity to earn extra income while sharing a product they love.
We invite you to talk to the person who gave you this DVD. Find out for yourself how 4Life Transfer Factor has enhanced their health and changed their outlook on life.